Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install Homebrew in any macOS. So go to this website in the browser right here, and you have to copy this command from here. Just click on this to copy it. The website and the commands will be given in the description. Now open up the terminal and paste the command right here and press enter. Now type the user password here, your macOS password, press enter. Now enter again to continue. Now it's downloading and installing the Homebrew package. So Homebrew is used to install the packages which are not available on the Apple App Store. Like you won't be able to find wget, Google Chrome, stuff like that, Git, GitHub. So those packages can be installed using Homebrew. It has updated the files and we have successfully installed Homebrew. So let us test it. Brew space help, press enter. And you can see all of the commands available to use. You can update, upgrade, list, and all of these things. Let me quickly show you by installing one thing here. Brew space install. And we are just going to install here wget, press enter. Now it is first of all updating the Homebrew, downloading wget. It also takes care about the dependencies. So it will install the dependencies as well as the package. And now wget has been successfully installed. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.